Every home we design, we know who's it for. This time, we didn't. Our client was miles away. No one to say this is how I want to wake up in the morning or this corner is where my family gathers. One question we had to answer with every single decision. What does a home need to be when it has to welcome anyone?
When this lead got assigned to me, I was very excited that we had to prove him once again that we are the best, and I hope we have done the best work for him.
Hi, I am Prabhu Durasingam. So this is a 3 BHK apartment which is located at Brigade Residences at World Trade Center in Perungudi. This project interiors is actually executed by Tint Tone and Shade. I know Tint Tone and Shade from 2018, very long back. So this is the second project with them. Once everything is removed and everything is deep cleaned, and that day we felt it. And actually it's not we felt it. When the stranger visit the house, they used to say, wow, what a interior you guys have done. And that's the thing. Okay, we have spent worth. My favorite spot in this house, this place where I'm sitting. Almost I spend here only.
Hi everyone, this is designer Brigade Residences here from Tint Tone and Shade. Today we are here for another walkthrough video of Mr. Prabhu's residence. So this project is located in World Trade Center, Perungudi. It's a 3 BHK house of around 1,800 square feet. So we'll start with the design. So we have the entry area here. Through the entry, first we enter into a foyer area. So we try to create a small glass partition wall, so which will give a visual barrier, and it will also not make the space look very separated. And this foyer area, the client wanted to make it look as cozy as possible. For that, we've incorporated strip lights from the in the ceiling and the partition wall as well. From the foyer area, we will enter to the living space. So to make the space as big as possible, we have incorporated a lot of mirror elements. So we have incorporated the mirrors in the living TV wall and as well as the dining wall. And we didn't want to have any big sort of storage or anything on the TV wall. So we kept it as sleek as possible. It was just a suspended base unit and a wall panel with mirrors. And coming to the dining area, this is the main highlight of this house. We have used bronze beveled mirrors on the entire wall. So that sort of doubled up the space. And this kitchen is a fully modular kitchen. The height is just 8 feet. So we were not able to plan it like a proper base, wall and a loft unit. Instead, what we did was we sticked onto the base unit and we sort of like extended the wall unit till the ceiling, so that it was not like a separate loft area. It was just like a wall unit seamlessly running till the ceiling. And since the wall unit height is more, it sort of like added more storage. And since it was not like split into the wall and the loft, it was like a very seamless blend between the base and the wall. So we prefer to go for a glossy finish for the kitchen so that it will be easy for the clients to wipe and clean. So in the master bedroom, the builder has already provided a wooden flooring. So we wanted to make use of it, and the color combination that we have chosen for the master bedroom, we wanted to blend it along with the wooden flooring. So we went for a beige colored color concept for this bedroom. We have done combination of glass and wooden shutters with lightings inside. And coming to the bedroom area, we've just got a simple ledge for the TV. And we sort of created a bed back highlight and a false ceiling. And coming to the bedroom 2, which is his son's bedroom, so there was a huge window we have got in the bedroom 2. So he didn't want any permanent bed or anything in this room. And we also found a huge window that is there in this room. So that wall, we wanted to create some sort of a bay window seater. And on the wardrobe position, we have created a big size wardrobe with many individual compartments for maximizing his storage. And we still had a dresser in this room, and actually there is a niche space that is there behind the door. So we wanted to create a dresser space, and even if in the future he wants to convert this room as a bedroom, he would still have a dresser over there. So coming to the bedroom 3, the requirement for bedroom 3 is pretty simple. So we went with mirror finish Aristo wardrobe and a bed. So apart from that, we have the fall ceiling above the bed, which with the strip lighting and the focal lighting, which give a even light distribution throughout the room. So that's it about the bedroom 3. So throughout this entire design journey, one challenging part was the client was very skeptical about whatever we designed, will that come into reality. They had a lot of references. With that, we got inspirations and we did the design. And at the end, he was very skeptical, but during the execution, he used to visit the site often, and he constantly gives reviews on the execution part. But once the execution is done, he was very happy about the outcome that was delivered. And we were also very happy that whatever was in his mind came into reality. And we were very happy about it.
When I see in the paper, everything looks good actually. I was a little afraid that when they are going to execute it, so how the operations teams are going to execute it, whether it will look the same. So that's actually a question mark. But they did a very, very excellent job. And design பண்ணது அப்படியே கொண்டு வந்தது உண்மையிலே பெரிய விஷயம் தான். Even my next course, I'm saying now itself in this video, so you will be the one. So we'll be making it. எத்தனை விட வாங்கினாலும் நீங்கள் தான் பண்ணுவீங்க.
If you have a property, whether you are going to live in it yourself or lease it, and you want it designed with this level of thought, come speak to us. We are at our experience centers in Chennai, Hyderabad and Bengaluru. The link is in the description.
This is one another happy journey from Tint Tone and Shade. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more such videos. Subscribe to Tint Tone and Shade.